Hello folks, Waz here from B&B Audio Concepts, and we have this huge military truck in which has been converted to a camper. It's in for audio, and we have done a KENWOOD 992RV unit with an Audison sub, X-Fire speakers and Alpine speakers. Now I'm going to pause because there's no way I can hold my camera and get up into this beast. Folks, so I'm in this beast, and here we have a KENWOOD 992RV. The reason we've gone for this is the top of the range head unit. It's got navigation, and basically it's got motor and camper, home and so forth. I've only done car for demo purposes. This beast is so big it doesn't even go into our workshop, so we've had to do this outside. Luckily there was no rain in Wales today. So we've also added a reverse cam, one of the features that are quite handy, and then we've got Apple Carplay, and then with the sound system we've done, it rocks in here. So something like this interests you, this is not your average everyday vehicle, but we do normal vehicles and we do crazy vehicles. So get in touch, let us know. Waz, B&B Audio Concepts, 02920 707 275.